kahit po sobrang galing ng ating gobyerno or magbago ang ating gobyerno, as Amranaus,
True.
oo, kailangan po nating makipagtulungan.
Inevitable nga yan. But we are always here to aspire for the resolution because we need that to keep and maintain and protect our honor, our dignity, our self-esteem, and collectively our family and clan esteem.
These things go beyond faith,
Yes.
go beyond religion,
Mm.
nor beliefs.
Exact question is, sa atin lahat, sa atin, oo. Sa inyo ba na parang mga, this might be controversial, pero dahil meron na tayong batas sa Pilipinas na kapag
Okay.
nakapatay ang isang tao, ipapakulong na lang. Unlike sa atin before na
An
nagkakarido
eye to
kapag
an eye.
an eye to an eye, 'di ba? Mapapatay. So sa tingin niyo ba sa generation ninyo applicable sa generation ninyo okay sa inyo yung batas natin ngayon?
Hindi, Ana, ito na. Gusto ko rin muna ata ito itanong kay Auntie
Mm.
para ma-address yan. Auntie, does it, nangyari na ba? Did it happen before in the older generation na natanggap na lang ng kabilang family na kahit hindi nila napatay yung kalaban is natapos pa rin yung rido? May
Oo,
ganun bang
nangyayari.
nangyari?
Yeah.
O like for
See,
example, oo.
nangyayari
So nangyayari
yun.
pala.
That is why nga
Mm.
again, no,
Oo.
let me be repetitive. I
Mm-mm.
started by saying that silence in the face of dishonor is a
Mm-mm.
shame, and then I followed that up with another proverb that the real triumph in it is not the absence of vengeance, but the
Mm.
real triumph in Rido is really making peace prevail.
Mm. Wala
True.
kasing panalo kapag
Now, bakit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Sa mga Rido, there was a time I also suggested this to yung gumawa ng movie,
Mm.
because there was a time, and I want to know now how our justice system is working now. Because in the past, I was very much aware na lahat ng mga Rido, there is none that is brought to the court.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because
Wala
our court,
nila
our
di
court,
nakikialam.
We'll never understand.
yeah, our court is our own taritiba nigma,
Mm.
ijma.
True.
You see?
True.
And so there is a need now to find out how are our courts operating now, including the Sharia circuit courts. I think
Yes.
NCMF is dared to do this. What about our Sharia courts?
Oo,
So-
totoo talaga. Kasi, well, yun nga, no, parang there's a gap between the Philippine judicial system
Mm-mm.
and our taritiban igma.
Mm.
Na sometimes,
Sabihin niyo muna anong taritiban
Sharia.
yung batas natin,
batas
especially,
naming mga
kasi you have to
Muslim.
understand na may mga cultures and values tayong maranaw
Mm.
na hindi naman under sa Sharia.
Sharia, opo.
Oo.
We say that
Diba?
all the
we
time.
have to, na parang
Oo.
lagi nga namin sinasabi na don't equate the Maranao culture to Islam.
Islam or Muslim.
Oo. Kasi
Oo,
sometimes
magkaiba.
we have to understand na
Mm.
may Diyos ko, we all know death is not allowed
Oo,
in Islam.
Hindi po sa amin tinuturo sa
Oo.
Islam, ha? Napatayin mo yung
Mm-mm. And
definitely no. This is about us being a Maranao,
Totoo.
ha? This is
So,
about us being
to
Maranao.
answer your question, Auntie, talagang, we have to understand na there's a gap between
Mm-mm.
that. And our lawmakers has to understand that gap in order to create laws, no? Na
About this sensitive,
Oo. Now,
about sa
doon
redo.
pumapasok, Auntie, siguro yung mga LGUs. Kasi right now,
Mm.
our LGUs, they also serve as mediators.
Mm.
Of Rido.
Di ba, pag
Mm.
may position ka, you also
Yes, are respected.
Mm,
Oo.
mm-mm.
And kasi syempre din, karamihan din naman na na-elect na mayor. Kaya sila na-elect na mayor doon sa lugar nila because their family respected them.
Yes.
So pag nagkaroon din ng redo within that town, kasi like for example, in Maranao, you will never be a mayor in that town if you're not from that town.
Yes.
Diba?
Oo.
So, tawag dito, the reason that you were elected in that specific municipality is because your families, your
are residing
people,
there.
and the people residing there trusts you and respect you.
Yes,
So they
yes.
become the peacemakers. That's why you can see also na in Marawi right now, in Lanao del Sur, again, I can only speak in behalf of the Maranao people,
Mm.
yung mga sundalo who wants to end conflicts within the area that
Mm.
they hold, they partner with the LGU.
Mm.
Kasi alam nila na not soldiers, not police,
Mm.
and not even the President of the Republic of the Philippines can finish that redo.
Oo.
Only the LGUs that they respect.
Mm.
Oo. 'Di ba? So, tag dito, auntie, yun naman, no, sa part naman na ito is yung community impact
Oo. Ano yung mga
ng
bad ano
ng redo.
nito?
Kasi we also have to understand na kanina, okay, naintindihan na natin yung
Mm.
framework,
Mm.
yung tawag dito, foundation ng
Mm.
redo.
Mm.
But we also have to understand and to admit
Mm.
that there is a lasting effect.
Oo, ang
'Di
daming
ba?
nagsasuffer.
Mga naulila,
Naulila.
'di ba? Kasi ito, auntie, yung question ko. Tinapos na yung redo. Okay. Pero
Tinapos.
minsan kasi may naiiwan dun sa anak, 'di ba? Parang like for example, ganun-ganun na lang namatay yung tatay ko.
Tapos nakipag-ayos yung mga tito-tita
Mm.
ko?
Ay, ito, auntie, another question ko. Pag natapos na ang redo, may time ba na nabubuksan siya?
Oo, tama.
Yes.
Oo.
Ah,
Kasi like for example, ako, sa akin, let's
oo.
say nung nangyari yun,
Bata ka.
knock on wood.
Oo.
Kunyari, I was 8 years
Ay,
old
okay
at
na,
that
hindi
time.
naman yan, wag mag-knock on wood.
Oo.
Matanda ka na.
Tag dito, 8 years old.
Consummate.
8 years old, yung bata, namatay yung tatay niya.
Mm.
And then, tinapos yung redo when
Oo.
he was still also a little
Mm-mm.
kid.
Mm-mm.
But then, it left a mark in him
Indelible.
Mm.
noon na,
Kasi nakita niya yung
Oo,
pagpatay.
let's say, andun
nakita
siya.
niya, nandun siya.
nung
Nung
nangyari yun
ratratin.
na,
Oo.
nakita mo yung nangyari sa Malabang,
Yes,
yung
yes,
pedicab,
yes. Oo, oo,
yung
oo.
anak niya, yung bata,
Oh my
tapos yung
God,
tumalsik pa
ya
sa
Allah.
bata,
Mga
yung dugo
ganyan, oo.
nung tatay, tas
Mm-mm.
nung natagpuan sila sa kalsada na yung bata na umiiyak.
Oo, why?
And then, what if that
Mm-mm.
kid,
Oo.
let's say, sabihin nating natapos.
Natapos
Kasi
na,
I
alhamdulillah.
heard it's a redo eh.
Mm-mm.
Then natapos yan. Ngayon may video na.
Oo.
And then when that kid grows up,
biglang
and gusto
mabuo
niyang
yung ano.
gumante.
Nangyayari.
ba yun, auntie, na may
Yeah.
nabubuksan?
May nabubuksan. For example, yung bata, sinabi mo, kahit nakalimutan na niya yan, one day may nakausap siya, may nakaaway siya.
Mm.
Sabi niya, ang tapang-tapang mo, yung ano mo nga, tatay mo,
Ganyan.
pinatay
May
niya,
trigger eh. May trigger.
So, ginigising yung nakaraan. Alright, so let's talk about the impacts, no? Anong consequences ng redo? Number one, let's talk about, kasi we can classify, categorize them, no? Socially. At the social level, nagkakaroon yan ng, sinabi ko kanina, na displacement
Mm.
and migration. Kaya nakikita natin, hindi naman lahat, no?
Mm.
But one of the reasons that people leave their hometowns is because they want to be away
Mm.
or they want to run away.
Mm.
Okay, so either one, kahit natapos na kuminsan yung redo, just to forget the past.
Mm.
All right? So, I think that also explains the presence of, lalo na sa atin, no, mga Marano. Do you believe that I can count the few places where I have been in the world na walang Marano?
Tama.
Even in the
That's
US.
true.
In all the
Tama.
states
That's
that I
true.
have been to.
Everywhere.
Makakahanap ka ng not just Filipino,
Maranao.
Marano.
Mm.
Ayaw budang kato ni sa Marano na si sa state of anto na ini tanong ta maestro agusi sa state of Utah agusi sa kumana New York, California, sa California na mas sobra. San
Dami,
Francisco.
Ang daming
sobra.
kami, bumapamilya tampi.
Oo.
Sa
Ay,
San
marami
Francisco.
po
Los
tayong
Angeles,
mga viewers
yeah.
po sa California na nanonood
hello,
po ng kwentong
hi.
lahat na lang. Muranaw in California. Shout out. Oy, marunod ako mag-shout out.
Hindi kasi siya nagsha-shout out, ako lang.
Oh, yes,
Oo.
okay, go. May mga ano po tayo doon, may mga listeners tayo doon as
One
in
of my very good friends is my tokayo, Putrilanto in San Francisco, Ambassador Adnan.
Oh,
Hello to
yes,
Alcamel.
mashallah.
Sabi yang, ano pangalan nito? Nakakalimutan ko na.
Ginugutom
sorry.
mo kasi si ano
Oo nga
eh.
eh.
Dok pot eh.
Bantuas. Yes, he's also
Mm.
there in San Francisco.
Mm-mm.
LA, mas marami sila. Sila
Dami,
Cards,
dami.
yeah. Anyway,
Yes, yes.
so some of them, siguro, sa New York,
Dami.
Putri Rangkamanis, si Suisa Pakasum, he's also there. And then yung pamilya ni Rasmi Alawi, but one of his children graduated at the New York University as a cum laude. I mean, these are not popular to us, no? But well, I'm not saying that the reasons that they are out there
There,
is
because they have
because of
redo.
redo.
Ah.
But some really have to be out for purposes of either trying to forget the past, trying to be away from enemies, or simply, this place reminds me of
Yes.
the past.
The
So,
pain.
ganon lang, yeah. And then, because we are a genealogic society, we are clannish, sino ba ang walang kamag-anak na may rido? Na walang rido? Di ba?
Totoo. That's true.
So, this is the case. Okay.
Mm.
The other one, yun nga, displacement, migration, at the individual level, yung sinasabi nyo, trauma.
Totoo.
Di ba?
Tama.
And how
Trauma,
long
the
that
trauma.
trauma is gonna last? Only Allah knows. Kasi may mga taong hindi makalimot. Di ba?
Tama. Opo.
May mga taong pwedeng makalimot. So, depende kung saan. Alright, the other impact is on the economics, no? Wala tayong hindi naayos ang kabuhayan kasi may rido.
Nasa-stop yung ano.
Maraming tumitigil mag-aral.
Oo,
hindi
tumitigil
pwedeng
mag-aral.
lumabas.
May
Kina-close yung tindahan kasi
Totoo.
baka puntahan
Baka
dun.
puntahan.
So,
Yagan mga wayagan. Natigil yung negosyo.
natigil yung negosyo. So, even the economy of the community is just
Affected.
Strongly
Affected.
affected.
Yes.
Totoo.
so you see.
Yes.
Alright. In terms of governance, affected din tayo. Because even governance, kahit magpapagawa tayo ng mga tulay dyan, takot yung mga tao naman magpunta dyan.
Tama,
Because,
tama.
that has become a very notorious place.
Totoo.
Tama, tama.
Magpunta ka dyan, iba, mamatay ka rin dyan.
So walang darating sa kanila na goods.
Walang tourism.
Walang
Walang
tourism.
gustong pumunta dyan. Walang investment.
Tama.
Economic again.
So,
Bakit, di ba auntie, parang yung sinasabi na, bakit sa inyo sa Marawi na walang mga malalaking establishment? We have to understand and we have to accept the fact na walang gustong mag-invest na outside investors because of peace and
Security.
order. And
Yeah.
security.
exactly.
Yan yung one of the reasons bakit alam natin na ang Marawi, ang bumubuhay sa Marawi is Maranao.
That's true. That's true.
Kasi walang investors Walang
Totoo.
investors doon.
Totoo.
Oo.
Now, speaking of Marawi, there's another angle. Plus, idagdag mo pa itong rido, mas lalo tayong nag-stagnate. I mean,
Tama.
hardly do we really improve our condition. The other side of it is there was a study that was conducted by the former Institute of Regional IRP, Institute of Regional Planning of the Mindanao State University. I was a student, but I volunteered to become a part of the researchers. And ang objective ng study na yun, I think this is, I would like to share this kasi kailangan aware tayo as people of Marawi na ang objective namin doon, what is the best direction for Marawi? Or what are the potentials of Marawi to develop? No? Okay. Number one, sabi niya, it was, anong tawag natin dito, yung weeding out process.
Ano
It
yun?
cannot develop into an industrial city. Why? Because hindi ko na maalala, but it cannot develop into
Parang
an
mahirap,
industrial
no?
city.
If we are being honest, parang mahirap talaga.
Mahirap because even limbawa, yung mga waste material ng industrial plants, no? Saan itatapon? Agus. Saan
Oo.
pupunta ang Agus? Maria Cristina. You see, so,
Lahat
Kaya-
affected.
okay. Can we develop into a tourist destination? Okay?
Pwede.
We
Peace
can.
and order is a
Pwede.
problem.
Oo.
We
Not
can.
peace and order.
If
May
we can-
potential.
May potential. If we can develop,
Future
ma-appreciate
generation.
itong
We are addressing you.
Can we develop as a commercial city? No. Because we don't have the
Investors.
harbor. We don't have the piers like Iligan.
What do you mean the harbor po?
Yeah,
Ano?
so,
Pier,
Pantalan.
pantalan.
Okay.
Wala
Okay.
tayong
Yes.
pantalan.
Okay.
So, ayabo mi atiroroon na
Kala
we
ko other
can,
term.
yeah, among other things,
Oo.
kasi yun nga, within a process ang ginawa I was still a
Mm.
student, but I remember I was a part of that study. Na ayabo a potential kung tanong na tourism.
Tourism.
Because we have a culture that is still alive.
Yeah.
We have a
Very
very
We have
rich
a
lively.
climate that
culture.
is cool.
True.
Ang ganda ng climate
True.
po
Yeah.
namin sa
So,
ano.
if we don't develop this, wala
Totoo.
tayo.
Wala tayo.
Totoo.
We
So
cannot
this
even
is
develop
a
as an
We have
agricultural,
food that can, you know,
food,
na pwede mong ibangga sa international
Oo,
cuisine.
Yeah.
napaka
Only
flavorful
us,
ng
diba?
ating mga ano. So this is a challenge for the leaders of our for the leaders in Marawi, or not
The
just in
leaders
Marawi.
of tomorrow.
Lanao del Sur. Oo, kasi the tourism hindi po focus sa Marawi yung magiging tourism, kasi maraming municipalities sa Marawi na
Yes. Na ang
sobrang
gaganda.
gaganda. Like, Marawi, I can say may problem tayo sa waste management.
yeah,
Oo,
also, yes.
that's one of the biggest problems that I can say.
Yeah.
Pero our other municipalities in Lanao del Sur, para pang ang mukhang bukid nun yung sa Madalamba yun, or somewhere sa
Ganasi,
ang ganda.
Yeah.
Walang-wala yung views I'm sorry, pero walang-wala yung views sa Tagaytay.
Wala.
O,
So,
sobrang ganda.
Speaking of Tagaytay, isa yun sa parang, kumaga parang, if I may suggest
Mm-mm.
to the local government of Marawi and the
Oo.
tourism of Marawi and Lanao del Sur, is when I asked and talked to people in Tagaytay,
Mm-mm.
ano ba ngayon yung pinaka-pinupuntahan lagi sa Tagaytay?
Starbucks.
Aside from that, ano ba yung
yeah,
number
I
one?
know where you are going. It's Bulalo.
Bulalo.
Mm-mm.
Ah? Why? Kasi
Mm-mm.
malamig.
Yes.
Ang klima.
Mm-mm.
Bulalo.
Ang klima.
Ang klima. Malamig. Na?
Ang klema.
Malamig na malamig.
Malamig.
Na
Malamig.
kaya tumerno
Mm.
ang bulalo.
Ang
Kasi
bulalo.
bulalo na mainit.
Yun lang pinupuntahan namin ni Hakim dun eh.
Bulalo. Oh.
Tama, kaming magkabarkada.
Kami magbabarkada na madaling araw naakyat na hihigop ng bulalo. Ngayon, now.
Hindi ba haram ang bulalo?
Hindi, beef kasi.
Beef.
Beef,
Oh.
oo.
Ngayon, sa Marawi,
Mm.
our climate can go head on head with Tagaytay kasi I can say mas malamig
Oo.
ang Marawi kaysa sa
Let me
Tagaytay.
ask you that question because it's your your idea. If you will be
Yes.
the next if
Yes.
you will be the governor, let's say mayor
Not
of
governor, or maybe even tawag dito
leader.
Oo.
Or
Not
as an
mayor,
influencer,
but
as
oo.
someone who can influence our leader and all.
will have the capacity
And
to
will
do.
have the capacity to
Oo.
do it. Ano ang bilang isang Maranao at taga Lanao del Sur, ano ang itatapat natin sa Bulalo?
Balbakwa.
Ang sarap.
Randang.
Hindi
Kasi,
yung sabaw.
Kumbaga, that's sa sabaw ba? That's sa sabaw ba na
Yes.
mainit ba?
Okay.
Why not create a
Balbakwa.
balbakwa culture in Marawi?
Balbakwa
Ha?
is Maranao dish talaga, di ba?
Ang balbakwa na version,
May version,
marami din siya.
pero may version tayong mga
Oo,
Maranao.
may version
yes.
tayo.
Pisiwawan.
Why
Pisuwawan.
not, diba? Na,
Ang
tawag dito,
sarap.
rival,
Mm.
the Bulalo culture of Tagaytay
Yes.
with the balbakwa culture
Oo.
of na nagawin natin na yun yung pupuntahan doon ng tao.
Yes.
Kasi diba, parang
At saka, I'm proud of our balbakwa
Yes.
kasi na sumasabog ang flavor.
pwede,
Ang daming
pwede mo siyang gawing mild, not
Yes.
spicy, very spicy.
creamy.
Oo.
3 choices ito ma.
3. Kasi like for
maganda.
example, long before Starbucks came into the picture of Tagaytay,
Mm-mm.
people goes to Tagaytay because of bulalo. Kaya
Yes.
pag pumunta ka doon, you have Leslie's, you have tawag dito, Bago Beans, Antonio's. Walang restaurant sa Tagaytay
Balay dako.
na walang bulalo.
Yes, lahat may bulalo.
Oo, kasi
Mm-mm.
Yun yung pinupuntahan doon ng tao eh.
Mm-mm.
So why not in Lanao? Diba?
Let's have
In
balbakwa.
Marawi,
Oo.
you have your Heaven Road night now.
Yes.
Kung may House of Bulalo, why not
May
create House
House of
Balbakwa?
balbakwa. Oh,
Na yung mga
Alright.
mga
Oo.
turista, ano man kamo sa kaog Marawi, kauntag
Oo.
balbakwa.
and isa lang isa pa lang, patikim pa lang yan sa lots of our dishes.
Totoo.
Yes,
Oo.
and delicacies.
Maybe we can
Mm.
start with that.
Totoo.
Oo.
So, going back again to Rido,
Mhm.
this is the things that hinders
Yes. Oo.
progress.
It's the peace and
Oo.
security.
And it's up to us,
Mm.
people of Lanao,
Mm.
the Mranao people, to do something about it.
Yes.
Ha?
Um,
Ka, Pamana, let me address you in
Ay,
our own
sorry.
dialect. Kababayaan tano, ama piyakap killer katano uta.
mm.
Then, let's do it. Let's
Mm.
emulate it outside our homes.
Mm.
Ah? Ka, kadaklan, tabi yun na, kadaklan na katano, tano bubipipi yan, nasusulda walay tano.
Tama.
Na
Tama.
sikuli wawalay tano na. Ilaman, niya ka piya sulda walay niya, na rungaw ka man sa ruwasan niya, nga tamba ka na basura.
Tama. Wala talagang proper waste
Ah?
management.
Adi ka mismo so tao. Api
Mm.
andin yan ni pilibad so basura. Kahit saan mo itatapon. Kaya, again, sorry, this is in YouTube, so I can say this. Kaya, usor ko tanong sa Marawi, tanong din yung may mga pader na nakalagay, anti dati na nagsimula na bawal magtapon ng basura.
Himanto na?
Bigla, sa labas ng sa
Sa
labas
mga
anti ng
wall, sa
bahay
mga
namin
wall, di ba bawal mag,
anti
ng
sa labas ng bahay namin dati sa Ampuan Street, sa Lilud, na hindi siya tapunan ng basura,
Oo.
pero ginawa na siyang tapunan ng basura.
Oo.
At pinman mo ka pa sa gobyerno. Kahit gaano kagaling ang gobyerno.
Yes.
Kahit 24/7 pa yan tinatanggalan ng basura,
Kung walang
kung
disiplina
tayo
yung
din tao na
tao.
walang disiplina na tapon ng tapon, naalala ko ante doon natin nakalagay na karatula, bawal magtapon ng basura. Pangamay
pa,
gabi
diba?
na,
Okay.
ang dami namang basura. Biglang kinabukasan na nakalagay na, miyabuno. San sa pelbed sa basura.
Or sa Timor.
Na, meron pa rin basura. Kamapitan, naglevel up. Pimor ka! Sa
Paano
pelbed.
nila?
Palevel na level. Meron pang lalo na, miya pula-pula. San sa pelbed sa basura.
Grabe
Kasi wala na.
Oo, yes.
Wala na ring, di ba?
So, we are trying to say na kahit po sobrang galing ng ating gobyerno or magbago ang ating gobyerno, as Amranaus,
True.
oo, kailangan po nating makipagtulungan. We have to be disciplined.
Sumisigaw ka at nagagalito ka, kalaging nagbabaha,
Mm-mm.
na yung kanal ninyo na doon kayo nagtatapon ng
Oo,
basura.
may
Imagine
kasalanan
na Marawi,
ka.
meron na
Ha?
tayong mga experience ngayong nabaha.
Oo, see, 'di ba? Ang dami ng
Ilen
experience
yung
ng
mabuso ka karyo, kalaw na basura, naroon mapapano.
wala nang
Di ba?
Tama.
Before itong issue na pinag-usapan natin sa basura, long before,
Mm-mm.
do you know that Marawi, the highest kind of illness that was dominant?
Mm-mm.
Did you know this?
No.
Tuberculosis.
Oh.
You know why?
TB.
Yun nga, kasi discipline na tanong natin.
Yung mga ganun.
Totoo.
Api, anda na penduda.
Totoo.
So, katan ka so TB na airborne.
Naman ka, sa Mrano, na kumaratabatan ako na di kan tumunay translate po manaya sa, sa,
Hindi kasi, ito
kasi,
Ante, hindi ko magets.
Mm-mm.
Help us understand from your generation's point of view to me as an Ana as a millennial. To?
as a Gen Z.
Bakit ganun na grabe yung pride natin on our dignity, on
And
our
yet,
family,
Mm.
but yet yung cleanliness natin na hindi natin doon hindi natin
Tama.
madamay.
Mm-mm.
Hindi natin madamay. Miya kapasapasang tanoy kapag ubdas.
Mm-mm.
5 times a
Ang
day.
linis po ng katawan ng mga
Natanya tapo nila nga sunila ni pagubdas ang miya kadudu.
kung bakit tayo ganon is because in the past we never had regular water supply. Our faucets were not with water. There was no running water. If you remember sa akong mga wata kami, kasi kami man nasi kami sa Manila. Iramyaling kami sa Ranao na peso electricity, it was a challenge. So we were using Petromax, yung ganon. And then faucet, wala. There was no running water. People, apes kami, nagita ka lawala niya. We had to, apes kami mismo mga wata na di pa kagugas sa mga helper rami. And so we had to help seek water. Ganun kahirap. So,
Mm-mm.
Mialayam, I think, no, because of that pattern, of that the lack of water supply na di tanu tanto lumpio. Na as a matter
That's
of fact,
sad.
Very sad. Na kung
At
tutuusin na
nakakahiya.
the biggest water supply in the entire island
Ate,
comes from
ay,
us.
nagititiro na daw
At
na
nakakahiya.
our water is right under our nose.
That's true.
Hindi
Mm.
ba na ra?
Kaya
Ah.
siguro, Ante, tabi sa dinga di katero, when you go to mga lugar na malapit sa lake, sila yung malilinis. Kasi sila yung malapit sa tubig.
Tama,
Oo,
tama.
sila yung malalapit sa tubig.
So miyata so tabita nabamambulangon.
Nabulang na.
Yes.
Grabe yung
Not
iba din na
all.
wow.
Oo.
Spotless.
Totoo.
Lumpio.
And I would like to applaud
Mm,
those areas
mm,
and barangays who are able to maintain their cleanliness.
yes.
Alhamdulillah.
Oo. Okay, so let's say going back to Ridu.
Hindi kasi kumbaga parang
Oo.
kinumpile
That's
lang
one
natin
of the
na
effects.
oo, yung mga
One of
effects
the
to kasi
effects, yes.
na sometimes
What could have been our
Yes.
place if hindi sa atin
That's
nag-exist
why-
yung Ridu.
Like I'll give you an instance. In Marawi noon, hindi ko na. Magyayabang tayo dito eh.
Okay
go
lang.
lang ante, pag
Go
mayabang
lang.
natin.
Kay gito man na walay, our house was built in 1948. It was
Mm.
finished in 1949.
Mm,
Our architect and engineer were all taken from Manila.
mm,
Our flooring were all bought in Manila.
mm.
So
1948,
tiles.
45. Mm.
one half of the house, the flooring was all tiles.
And at that time wala pang tiles.
1949.
So barko
Totoo,
to.
totoo.
Barko.
And then, so sahig kami, nagyan na sahig sa Malacanang.
Oh.
Hinans kanyan.
Marble.
Di ka so maroon, yellowish. Ito alternate.
So mga kayo, mga kahoy dati. Yes,
Mm.
yes.
Okay, so lagi dudwa ti man ang tawala minya malaman no to kataman ko simbahan.
Mm.
Okay. Na mapasad na mga shandiler. Would you believe that we had a fireplace? That's how modern
Wow.
that house was.
Wow.
built.
And this was
Fireplace
built in
na
the 1940s.
1945, 48.
Andi kaya uso o tiles.
Lately lang.
Our
Lately.
house was built with tiles.
Wow.
Na so anyway, ganun yun. Ganun ka modern yung bahay. Unfortunately, water was not running. You see? Na aya masuswa amin na so adapt ko assign kasi in the beginning in the YouTube post independence so that tanto mi apa sa Damarana. So when our house was already built, so pagka-assign na mi assign sa provincial engineer na mga Christian man. Our offices, the chiefs of the offices were
Before.
were occupied by Nanmarano.
And auntie, since you're talking at the level of 1940s, idagdag ko lang. Totoo auntie na kasi hindi na namin inabutan. Pre-martial law daw na yung Banggulo daw na mga Chinese ang mga
Uy.
nagtinda dyan.
Okay,
Puro daw
yun
mga
na.
Chinese.
Si Tormis, I can't even tell you the names.
Talaga?
Grabe,
si
oo
Kuya,
nga eh.
si
So,
Kuya, si
so
Kuya,
nga-
mutiran na Kuya Kongres, yan ang kapihan. Yan ang tambayan. Ad na tindero, ada Five Sisters store. Insek. Ado na
The Five Sisters Stores.
si Tormis store. Lango na Chinese. Giyan na na
Wow.
intero Benggulo. Misa sang yun na si Pigalan Tailoring. Si to na yun. Basta gina na tunap na to sa mga ngaraniran. Five Sisters store. Si Tormes. Basta kay sa nariyaw takan.
Mm.
Lana,
See, it's so sad kasi meron ng trading na nangyayari sa
Noon.
atin. So we
Oo.
are flourishing na
Yeah.
but because of the peace and security,
Oo.
hindi
Dito
tayo
sa
umunlad.
1972.
Hindi umunlad.
Hindi tayo, which is very sad.
Nagbakwit yung mga
Nawala yung...
nagsialisan sila.
Marani ro sa GPI si sa kay man na siniro.
Sabi nga nila daw,
Sa Pakasam?
sabi,
Di sa
Ay, iba pa
ang-
yung sine
papunta
sa...
na sa
ang
GPI.
O si, may sine sa
ang
Marawi
kwento-
before.
Ang kwento dati, sinirama.
Mm.
Sa...
The first movie house
Oo.
was our house.
Oh.
Yes, kita wala.
See, we
Hindi
are
kasi-
already
Oo.
hindi po sa amin bago yung ano talaga.
Hindi, Ana, kasi sinabi daw no, kwento ng mga, kasi di ba sa Iligan, ang daming incheck. Sabi daw nila noon, mas marami pang incheck sa Marawi. Kasi mas maganda yung climate eh.
Oo.
Isikapan kapya sa mga bumbay.
Oh.
You know
diba?
that the Indian Bazaar, okay?
Mm.
This Indian Bazaar, pati mga anak nila may pinanganak, may lumaki doon.
Mm.
There was a time, so may mami sa Hong Kong in the 1990s,
Mm.
Allahu Akbar. Yang ta Chungking Mansion.
Chongqing, oo.
Di
Oo,
ba?
yes, yes.
Masigito.
Mm.
Miyato na mira ta, kwan na miya kita tong mrano.
Seryoso?
Tigin na tigin katad man yung tigin su Indian basar, tiga ka na uway, kaino. Wata ako niyan man tigin. Allahu Akbar. Ya Allah,
Mashallah.
you still speak Marana.
See?
Tigin na uway.
I do.
I grew
Oh
up
my
there.
gosh. That's so...
Can you imagine? Parang
Ang vibrant ng history natin.
minsan Ana, I'm imagining nga, if we haven't had those kind of conflicts,
Mm.
if udot pa man kung hindi sa atin nangyari yung mga bagay na yun, yung wala yung mga gulong yun, ang ganda siguro ng
Because you're interested in the past, no? Tsaka yung, ito nga, Muslims in the Philippines. Si Bapa Adumi, the former senator,
Dumuko Alonto.
Mm.
he has the theories where the Maranao really came
From,
one of his theories is that we hailed from Butuanon Kalinan of Butuan.
Butuan.
Yeah. And that is why sutigiran na Bumbaran na in the Darangan, they refer it to Kabadbaran. And Kabadbaran is a place which is
In-
in here to Surigao. Remember that? Yeah. So, yuto ko. Ginani isa theory ba pa that we came from Butuanon Kalinan. So, sa amang buna, kabubay na, I mean, you know, connecting the dots.
Yes. Gusto ko rin yan ng
Totoo.
mga topic.
Yeah, kasi
Kas-
in knowing kung saan tayo nanggaling.
Yeah.
Kasi I don't know if you've met her, one of my good friend and someone that I really look up to, just like you, Doc Potre, is Miss Marian Pastor Roses. She's an historian and an archaeologist. If correct me, ma'am, if I'm wrong. No, she studied history and she was also curators of many museums in the Philippines. She helped also curate the Lanao del Sur government tapped her to curate the Marawi Siege Museum in Marawi right now.
Doon sa tapat ng bahay namin.
Yes, and she once asked me, sabi niya, Hakim, sabi niya, may I ask you if you know this? Do you know who are the original people of Philippines? Like, in the history, they never migrated because there's no proof that they came from other parts of the globe. It's just that there is an only evidence that shows that dito sila talaga sa Philippines. And I asked, sino ma'am? The Aita people. They are the original owners of the
Hindi
especially
sila
here in
walang na
Yes.
galing sila sa boat na
Yes, wala. But us, sabi niya, do you know where we all came from? Sabi ko, saan po? Sabi niya, history, sabi niya, we have a very strong evidence that our people came from Taiwan.
Taiwan?
Yes. We migrated from Taiwan long before Taiwan became Chinese.
Oh, yeah, yes.
During
Oh,
those times. So parang nakaka-proud, nakaka-fascinating. Diba? It's too fascinating to find out. Diba? Kung sino ta. Kasi kagaya ng sinabi ni Auntie.
ang daming theories.
Diba?
Ang
Kagaya
daming
ng
theories.
sinabi ni
Oo.
Auntie na the only way for you to understand your present is for you
Go
to
back to the past.
Go back
Go
to the
back
past.
to the past.
And it's the only way also that you can charter your course for the future.
Yes.
Diba?
So malay natin guys with our podcast malalaman natin kung
Diba?
saan talaga
Oo.
tayo. Kayo yung huhusga sa ang study or theory
Yes,
ba
oo.
talaga
Iyon naman
tayo.
yung gusto namin ni Ana. We want to make it light. Minsan, hindi din light ka. Nagagalit ako, ante. May mga issue talaga na nagagalit ako.
Oo.
Katulad ng basurang yan.
Oo,
diba?
pagbasura na yan. Oo.
Going back again sa ating redo.
Kabisado nyo na siguro ang ng ating
Flow ng aming
podcast. Yes.
Going back, Auntie, to redo, no, na it's an unending process.
Yes.
Kasi kagaya nung sinabi ko kay Auntie kanina na pwede palang yung tanong ko sa kanya,
Pwedeng
pwede palang
mabuhay.
mabuhay. Oo. Pero Auntie,
Because of pag may
Trauma.
mga insulto. These are,
Yeah.
they are all lumped in what we call affronts. Nagyayabang ka, hindi mo
Totoo.
alam ang kahapon mo.
totoo.
Tama,
totoo.
mga ganon.
Auntie, can you also
Mga
help me
ganon.
address this? Kasi now that we're talking to redo, I know some people will say, alam niyo naman pala yung ending ng redo, bakit niyo sinisimulan? Bakit niyo ginagawa?
Oh, tama.
Oo.
Okay, yes.
And I would like to start this and before kayong dalawa na again, yung sinabi kanina ni Auntie na the five, the pillars of
5K,
the 5K,
Cherished values,
the
I call
cherished
them.
The
values
cherished ba?
na
Hindi rin po namin
hindi
kagustuhan.
kagustuhan. It's just that our
Hindi.
strong belief of defending our dignity
Mm.
Yeah.
and our love for our own people na minsan nakakabangga din namin our own people.
Our
Diba?
strength is our
Actually,
weakness.
yung ating
Exactly.
sarido, inevitable nga yan. But we are always here to aspire for the resolution because we need that to keep and maintain and protect our honor, our dignity, our self-esteem, and collectively our family and clan esteem.
Mm.
And I think,
see.
Auntie, these things go beyond faith,
Yes.
go beyond religion,
Mm.
nor beliefs. Kasi common denominator ng lahat, we are all but human beings.
Yes.
We have human characteristics na sasaktan, nagtatampo, nagsiselos, na de-degrade, na de-depress. So, it's also understanding, ay may naisip na naman ako.
Ano yun?
Dumarami na ngayon, Auntie, yung mga psychologist nating na mga Maranao.
Yeah.
I want to invite
Mashallah.
Auntie, baka mabigyan mo
Iba
kami ng
din yung-
idea who to invite na to understand the Maranao
Oo.
psyche.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Psyche.
Oo, the
Psyche.
Maranao psyche.
Yes. Oo.
Maybe, Auntie, you can help us. Sino yung isang Maranao na, could be a very good guest para sa
Soon.
ganito.
Oo.
Kasi, yun
Iba rin yung
Yeah.
magiging approach
Oo,
niya
iba yung approach.
Mm-mm.
Kasi 'di ba? And it all boils down in accepting who we are
Yes.
and what we are. And some people takes pride knowing that their family is willing to die for them.
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Na minsan nga laging sinasabi sa akin na 'di ba, we're just, tayo kasi sa pamilya. You have to understand, may mga tao na minsan na hindi kong gusto hindi mo makasundo. So, lagi ko naririnig to dati kay mama na minsan kasi may nakuha ako na, ate man si ko. Yung buwa ganun ako. Sinasagot sa akin ng mama ko, at ako lang, anak, nga namsuwa, huwag na yung ginagawa. Alam mo ba, na yung taong yan, kapag na-disgrasya ka na yan ang unang tatakbo siya.
Mga ganon. Totoo.
Huwag kang nainis na araw-araw na nandito siya.
Oo.
Huwag kang nainis na pagbukas mo ng pinto na hindi pa tayo nagigising na nandyan na. Kasi once din na nagka-trouble ka na, yan ang unang darating. And it happened to us. He was the very first to came. Diba? So, whether we like it or not, andyan siya eh. Yung sinasabi nga
Yung
niya,
dugo na namin yung nag-call.
totoo. And sometimes, no matter how we try to suppress,
Yes.
Yeah.
pag nakarinig tayo ng Maranao na inapi na,
Oo, that's true. No matter how hard we
true.
suppress talaga,
Totoo.
iba, kulo eh. Kumukulo yung dugo.
And dito naman sa Manila, since we are all living, kumbaga na outside Mindanao, it extends not just to Maranao alone. It extends to other tribes. Na pag alam mo na kayo na lang dyan, pag narinig mo rin na inapi yung tausug na, sinong nagkwento?
Oh, walang tausug dyan na
Yeah.
mag-ano sa
I have a friend, Ate Maha, who is a tausug.
tausug pala si
Yes,
ano?
Maha is
Mashallah.
tausug
Wala
from
na siya
Sulu.
dyan.
Wala na ba siya?
Oo.
From Hulo, Sulu.
Mm.
Na tawag dito, when I heard her problem, sabi ko, ba't hindi mo sinabi? Ba't hindi mo may nangaaway sa kanya eh?
Oo, yes.
Sabi ko, bakit hindi
Yan
mo?
din yung role ko sa Xavier
Oo.
dati kapag may
Parang
umaaway sa mga tausug ko na friends.
Diba?
Ako yung
Oo.
anuhan
Siguro
nila.
no, kasi
Sumbungan
Auntie,
nila.
kami ni Ana, when we were in college, sa Siraj kami,
Maguindanao na tausug.
it's a Muslim religious organization for students, and hindi lang naman Maranao ang sakop mo.
Oo.
Kasi ang sinabi naman doon na Muslim organization, hindi naman sinabi na Maranao organization. And then, when we became seniors, I handled Commission for Student Rights and Welfare, na pag may mga naaaping mga estudyante, siguro nilagay nila ako na Maranao kasi alam nila pag may inaapi, pag may narinig tayong word na inaapi na nagbabagting ang ating mga tenga.
Yes.
But going back, Auntie, I really like the yung paano nyo po sinimulan na Ridu is not all that bad.
Yes.
And you made us understand na these are the 5 Ks that you have to
Mm,
understand
mm.
bago mo maintindihan yung redo. And then
Mm.
later on, yes, bad din siya.
Yes, definitely bad din siya. So ano siguro yung takeaway natin dito as we like
Mm-mm.
I'm sure sobrang dami pa nating mapag-uusapan but later siguro in other episodes pa. But ano siguro yung para sa inyo na makukuha nating aral? Oh, 'di ba may mga aral na kami
Yes, mga
dito.
mapupulutang aral.
Sa tingin niyo ba ano yung parang aral or advice na mapupulot natin dito sa
Okay,
ano?
number one is to understand that the resolution of conflicts or redo is actually to preserve honor, dignity, and self-esteem.
Mm.
And that is the thing that is good about it. So, respect me and I will respect you.
Yes.
You
True.
honor my dignity, I will honor your dignity.
Exactly.
Yes.
I have a self-esteem and I respect your self-esteem. So yung ganon, this is the beautiful thing about it.
Yes.
And why do we resolve redo? It's because we love peace to reign
Yes.
Yeah.
every moment in our communities.
Mm-mm.
Nobody likes the redo.
Wala,
Wala.
Kasi
Hindi po
pinag-uusapan
namin yan hindi po namin yan kina-crave.
kaya nga
Yung-
pinag-uusapan ng redo because at the underlying that discussion is how do we resolve? Hindi ba?
Auntie, di ba laging may sinasabi na term sa Maranao, mamis surido sa paganay?
Paganay,
Oo.
matamis daw ang rido sa
Umpisa.
pero mapait sa
Yes.
Sa huli.
Oh, for me naman before you say your for the take of this episode, ang akin ang natutunan ko for this episode is for your own sake, for your family's sake, and for your clan's sake, be kind. Always choose kindness, kilalagang ka. Yun lang sa akin kasi yun yung kung pinili mo lagi magpatawad at maging kind ka, may kalalagan ka, inibutad ka so ginawang ka, maano natin yung redo. Pwede natin siyang maiwasan.
And
That's
on my side naman, ang ganda nung sinabi ni Ana, but sa akin naman, choose your battles.
Mhm.
Yes, ang sarap sa pakiramdam na alam mo
Mm.
na may mga kamag-anak ka na willing pumatay at mamatay para sa'yo.
Mm.
But don't bring them to that.
Mm.
Kung kaya mong iwasan, inuwas na nun pagwita.
Yes.
Okay, yes, alam mo na nandyan sila para sa'yo.
Mm.
Alam mo na nandyan sila para sa'yo.
Oo.
Alam mo. Diba? Pero
Oo.
bakit mo sila doon dadalhin? Why would you bring them to that? Just because na-offend ka?
Mm.
Kasi tinawag kang kung anong pangalan?
Mm.
Tapos idadamay mo yung... Minsan kasi tayo kasi mga Maranao, we're very passionate when we say stories. Kahit na 1,000, kahit na 10 tao lang, magrabi, madami. 100. Ha?
Exage.
Nakakita ka lang ng 100 na to na mata nga 1,000. Thousands o tao.
Palit-palit.
Oh, yung tinapik ka lang ta sinabi, di ba ka na ako niyan? Ha? Pag narinig yun ng kamag-anak mo, malamang
Nagsusungay din.
magsusungay din. So you created a battle that can be avoided in the very first place. So tigiran na, kanaba porke tamawid ka sa 45, budi na sa Armalite na tepungan nakabagriyan. Hindi porket may dala kang baril, isusubukan mo yung lakas niya. So, di ba? The very, sabi nga lang sa baril, there is this one debate in the US Senate that I was able to watch. I forgot the senator. He was anti-gun. No? Sinabi niya, the best thing or the best reason to have a gun is not to use it in the first place.
Yes. That's
Kasi
true.
It's just a matter of security for
Mm.
yourself. But the best reason to have it is not to use it. So ganun din, kung feeling mo na ang bugger mo, ang lakas mo, ang baril mo is yung dami at lakas ng pamilya mo, then don't use. Kasi sabi nga natin, sa Ridu, it's a collective struggle. Paano kung ikaw yung nag-start ng redo, tas iba yung nabalikan? Maibabalik mo? Nangyayari sa atin yan. Ano yung sinasabi? Minilingo.
Mm.
Ha? When we were in elementary, one of our teachers working in DC, a Maranao, her husband was shot, killed outside DC. Inuto, minilingo. Akala nila na yun yung kasi
Target.
magkamuka. Akala nila na yun yung kasi uncle, kasi pinsan. 'Di ba? So, yung mga bagay na kaya nating i-avoid, then let's avoid it. Yung sabi kanina, ginamit namin na word ni auntie, so redo na mamis sa paganay, na mapait sa, ano bang,
Kibulugan.
kapkibulugan. Matamis lang siya sa umpisa, pero
Mapait
mapait
na.
sa dulo. Kasi napakadali mang magsabi na, redo tano! Ha?
Mm.
But how long will that last? I've experienced this. Classmates of me who just disappeared. Umalis ng Marawi kasi may redo. Miyakag na class kasi may redo. Kaya awaan ni Ranso negosyo iran. Nakaalis sila doon sa negosyo nila because of redo. And is that good? No. So, we studied. Kaya nga sinabi ko kanina, I'm so happy the way, yung kinilabutan kami ni Ana,
Mm.
the way Doc Potre started everything.
Mm.
Kasi you have really to understand first how it all started,
Mm.
which is the preservation and the protection of our dignity.
Dignity.
Sabi nga ni Auntie. But there are ways, not just redo. 'Di ba? There are ways to do it. Let's not wait na humantong tayo doon sa place na may bata na may batang mauulila, may batang mawawala ng magulang dahil lang sa rido na yan. And Auntie, thank you very much for
Thank
giving
you
your
very
time.
much.
Yes,
Of
Auntie, your takeaway.
I
course.
think one of the important things that we have not mentioned, but they are underlying the discussion, is when we mentioned about the impacts ng redo. Nandyan din yung ano mo to? So, yung pagkakanduri, when we
Mm.
resolve, no?
Yes.
That concept is a ceremony
Mhm.
for peacemaking, right?
Mm.
So, yung pagkakanduri natin, and then we give charity to those who are present. And then we also, kapasadan, to end whatever conflict there was. These are very important, no? Kaya meron tayong mga kanduri, kapasadan, mambuy, gira, imato na ipsurat, so kapasadan, that
Mm.
it ends,
May documentation.
may documentation na ngayon. So, ganon. Ako, from my last statement here that I would like to contribute, kasi sayang naman no, na nasa global peace building tayo,
Mm.
and yet we cannot say anything about our own. So if we are at the macro, why can't we look at the micro, which is home?
Yes.
So sa akin, also being an educator myself, I would always love to see peace building incorporated in our curricula.
Mashallah. That's
This is
very
very,
true.
very important.
Mm.
Kasi it was also teaching our youngsters, like when we ran yung sa UNDP, na we trained the batch nila, I don't know if you will call it the training, but somehow I have given a part of what I know, na maintindihan nila that we are creating a generation of ambassadors of peace.
Yes.
And this is very important.
Yes.
So, yun bang inculcating to the young's mind that you can be a tool for peace.
Yes.
And Allah loves peacemakers.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
I think meron akong last na panawagan.
Meron pa pala.
Meron akong last na panawagan.
Oo. Mm.
Mananawagan ako.
Mm.
Now that we have talked about this kind of things,
Mm-mm.
especially yung history natin,
Mm-mm.
can I make a call to the members of the parliament of the Bangsamoro
Mm.
government, and especially to the Ministry of Education, can we include the Maranao history in the curriculum of our elementary and high school students? schools in Marawi should have Maranao history. Maguindanao should have their Maguindanao history. Kasi po, we love Filipino history, yes, but we have also to understand our own history. Kasi po yung mga karamihan sa amin po, hindi na po namin nalalaman yung mga ganitong bagay. So I hope po na mapag-usapan yung mga ganito, yung hindi namin alam ano ba yung nangyari sa Battle of Bayang,
Yes.
mga ganon. During the American,
Karbala.
the Karbala, yes.
Karbala. Why do we have Karbala here? And then we know of the famous Karbala in Iran.
Diba? And then,
Iraq.
tawag dito during the American occupation, and alam ba nila that during the signing of the Treaty of Paris, Mindanao was illegally annexed to the Philippines? Why our forefathers are fighting for freedom?
There's
That-
another one.
diba?
Kim. What is it about the Dansalan Declaration of 1935?
See, I don't know that.
See, ang dami. So,
Ang
yeah,
dami.
inshallah siguro. Or,
Inshallah. Oo.
yun, tama ka. Maganda na i-ano yun. That's a very
Sana,
nice suggestion, Hakim.
Oo,
It's
sana.
very nice.
I
Sana
hope-
may sana
Mm-mm.
may MP or
If
nanonood
an MP
dito.
naman ano niya, we are willing to be your lobbyist.
Yes, oo.
You
Parang,
can invite me to the floor of the parliament and I can
ano
speak.
niya, sana, or kung meron mang staff dito ng isang MP, baka pwede nyo itong
Yes.
pag-anuhan. We don't care about who owns the credit. Basta
Yeah.
lang. Basta lang po sana. That's a
Oo.
very, very nice
Oh,
suggestion.
the only
Mashallah.
credit that
Eh.
matters is credit card.
Credit? That's so true.
Credit daw is good, but we need
Debit
cash.
card na lang. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Ang sarap ng kwentuhan
Yes,
ngayon.
oo.
Ang
And
sarap.
the tag dito, this is our first time that we
Yes.
created a 2-hour episode. So
Yes,
expect na
mashallah.
2 episode po ito.
Oo, ayan
And
na,
we're
hindi na
very
kayo
happy.
bitin na.
Oo,
Kasi kahit
and,
na 2 hours, ang dami pa rin hindi na
ang dami
pag-uusapan.
parang hindi na pag-usapan.
Oo.
Yun
So
yung sinasabi
marami
ko
talaga.
na-
Magtatagal po tayo hanggang
Yes.
nanonood at nanonood
So,
kayo sa amin.
maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng ating mga kakwentuhan. Again, isa na naman pong episode ang ating natapos ngayon. At sana marami kayong napulot na aral tungkol sa Ridu. At kung may mga stories kayo na gusto ninyong i-share o may mga katanungan kayo na hopefully we can address it in our future episodes, please kindly comment sa amin pong YouTube channel at sa aming Facebook channel para po ma-address natin yung mga bagay na yun. Feel free po to communicate with us. Sumasagot naman po kami. At kung hindi
We
man
love
namin
your
kayo dyan
comments.
masagot, ma-address namin mismo ng live dito sa ating
Yes.
episode. Kaya muli, palakpakan naman po muna natin Dr. Potre Dirampatan Diampuan.
Yay!
Antipots.
Antipots. Antipot-pot.
Auntie, baka may gusto kang pasalamatan or i-shout out. Ay, wait lang pala. Sinabi sa akin ni Auntie kanina, my paternal grandfather, Engineer Hasanuddin Usman Lumundot, is Auntie's classmate in high school, elementary. In elementary
Wow.
days. Kaya, Daddy, your classmate in elementary, Dr. Potre, ayan. Shout out kay Daddy at kay Mami. Hello po. So
Yeah.
maraming salamat po. Muli, ako po si Dato Kim.
Maraming salamat sa aming mga laging sumusuporta sa Kwentong Lahat na Lang. See you next week again. Ako po si Ana. At ito ang
Kwentong Lahat na Lang. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!